coming up like he wants some, ain't he? Every day. Welcome back, fam. It's another rain day, so I figured I'd bring the family along and show you what I got to do this rain day and kind of bring you up to speed. Put a newer video out. I know my videos are kind of far behind. I'm just in January right now, which I only do 2 videos a week. If I was to try to do any more, man, it'd be tough. I was up till 1 o'clock last night trying to get one out for today, which is Tuesday. I'll get this out to you Sunday. So the goal for today is, I've got a lot of stuff to do. Gotta go get a load of sand. I'm gonna go pick up both pieces over at the last job we just finished up. Then I'm gonna load the dozer, take it to another job, and then I gotta fix this. Oh, this went down, the oil cooler, or whatever it is, power steering cooler. So I gotta do that today. Look at all that all over. So yeah, figure I'll just bring you guys along, bring you up to speed, and then see what we get into today. Like always, I appreciate all the support. You guys are bringing great vibes to the channel. I only got a few people that's got a negative, stinky attitude, but that's really not on YouTube. That's on mostly TikTok. Those guys over there are real know-it-alls. If you know, you know. Oh yeah, check this out. Well, yeah, it's a mess in here, but check this new colorway out in the dirt hammer. I don't know if I showed you that. It's a brand new one. All these hoodies are super good. So we're gonna get the new dump truck out. I got to haul a load of pool sand for a guy. My headlights, I don't have yet, but we're gonna run it. Oh, you haven't seen a video with this yet either. They're coming. So well, let's get on the road. We'll get this done. We got a lot to do today and just kind of get everything prepared for when it isn't raining. First load, I'm hauling to somebody in the new single axle. Old Eddie's loading me up with the old John Deere. But I just used that thing on a job this week. I'll show you hauling. Man, it's a great little truck. One thing I do hate about hauling for people, which I don't. This guy texted me and I didn't have his number saved immediately. I said no, I can't do it. And then I scrolled through and found out it's just right down the road from me. I'm like, well, I might be able to get there. So I've got the basketball goal, pound of flesh. Is it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. What have we got for binders and chains and stuff?
Take and see what's in the trailer.
Get this one juiced up. Task 2 for today. Oh, check this out. I bought me a dump trailer here off my brother-in-law. He used them about 2 years, beats the hell out of them, and then gets a new one. I mean, look at this. This thing's only like a year and a half. He's only had this like a year and a half, 2 years. I mean, he is, he puts them through their paces. I got to get got the original hammer, gonna get me some new hinges on there. How does that happen? He chunktified it. But that'd be good. I can, you know, if I need to haul out little stuff, and seems like I've been doing a lot in backyards and stuff now, so the money's just as good. Let's keep it up. Here's a little secret for you guys. I got all this stuff out of that demo we just did. It's this hand sanitizer. You can pick that stuff up super cheap now. I mean, there's an abundance of it. I was getting the gallons for $1, but I had all that stuff. And my truck was leaking oil and my ramp was leaking. So check this out. Little tip for y'all. I just dump it on the oil stain and literally it eats all the oil out. There was one right here, big oil stain, and it ate it completely clean. So if you need to clean your concrete, use some hand sanitizer. I'll be honest with you, it's actually kind of scary walking this part of the hood at a certain time of the day. See what I'm saying? Turn your back. He's telling me He hit me the other day. I was feeding him pork rinds, and man, one of them come up and hit me, spurred me. I had to collect my composure for like 2 minutes before I kicked some feathers out of him. I damn near killed him. He was sitting there doing whacked up stuff. You go watch him. Much better. I'll tell you, that looks kick-ass too. It's funny, my buddy Jerry, he was getting onto me, he said something about checking oils. I said, I don't check oils. I said, if these machines claim to be as smart as they are, there's gonna be an icon that comes up here and tells me that the oil's low. You all agree with me? It's gonna be like I'm hitting rumble strips when I mow the grass now. I can't have a nice yard or gravel without mud in it. I mean, look at my front yard. I got bored and dozed it all up the other day. It was bumpy, dozed it up. Plant grassy, but the chickens ain't gonna let that grow. I even got my chauffeur. Man, that's a curbside. I need to oil them. They've been screeching at me. My Uber driver?
Yep.
Can you speak English?
Yeah.
Well, that's a plus. Don't drive through the mud.
Yeah.
Got her loaded. What could we be getting into now? Let's go. Let's find out. We made it. What could we be getting into here? Pond repair. It's gonna be a fun one. This one here I've been trying to get to for, it's been 2 years. They've been patient, so I appreciate that. But we're here. We'll make it happen. I'm gonna park it right up here, but I'm gonna go ahead walking on back here. I want to see where that leak was, kind of see what I'm getting into. Like I said, it was 2 years ago I was here. I looked at that. I've done a bunch of work. I've done both these building pads for them. This was actually one of my first jobs. A good customer from the shop. You can see where the water line gets up and it recedes real quick. Last time I was here looking at it, there's a big leak. See, he's got I think there's like a culvert pipe there, but there's a big leak coming out over the hill here. If I remember correctly. I really don't want to get wet feet. I remember it being down in here. When we come, it was just gushing. I think it's right there. We'll find it. We'll chase it back. Yeah, you hear it. Have no fear. Orschell Excavating's here. You get it. It's always fun doing these. You know, it's kind of, you really don't know what you're getting into, exploratory. But then when you come back a year later and the pond's up, it's fixed. Cole, this is one of the first jobs you was ever on.
I know. I thought this place looked familiar.
Yeah. We'll get all these trees out of here. This will be a fun one. You'll be able to be on your roller.
Yeah.
You love that thing.
I do.
Trees on a dam, that's not a good thing. Here's our next stop. We were like a residence at this one, weren't we, Cole?
Yeah.
Here comes your buddy. You'll see this one a bunch. Man, there was a bunch of work here. Finished grade all this, moved a bunch of dirt back there. We've done a bunch. And he was with us the whole time. Get this out of here and get on with it. Man, the wind, it blew this straw. Man, this was nice. It's so windy up here. driving the tractor home. He's going that way, but I'm gonna run up here, check this field out. I gotta break a pond dam. So the idea was, when I'm moving the excavator, stop here real quick, bust this dam, let it dry out so I can do a pond repair October when it's real dry. Let's see what, I know the farmer's already planted. I want to see how muddy it is. Yeah, it was this field right here. Way back in there. I gotta do a pond repair. Yeah, it'll be fine to track across. So, I'm gonna go grab the excavator, move it here, break that dam, and then possibly take it to that other pond job. It's all about coordinate everything when you're mobilizing everything. One job to the next, try to make it count. That's what's so hard when people get on the list. Sometimes they're not always in order. You know, if I'm here and there's another excavator job here, I'm gonna go do that versus say something that's out of my way. It's just the way it goes. I don't charge a mobilization fee. I should, I guess. Definitely a time saver driving it versus trailering it. Dropping all this off and going back and getting it. The only thing is, I was gonna take that down to the shop I own down at Moto Streams. He's got a pothole I was gonna hardly grade it out, but I can wait for another day. See, it's always changing. My head, always changing. Now we're going to move the excavator. Got like an inch of rain coming tonight. Got our new chain on that. Here's what I do with my old chains now. I can buy them cheaper off Amazon, then I can go have them sharpened somewhere, and I can't sharpen them myself. I had a guy sharpen them, and I don't remember what it was, but it was more, the same price, not more than that. They last about 10 minutes. Them suckers were smoking, no good. 2 hours later, we're loaded up, greased up, fueled up. What could we be getting into now? Let's go. Well, check this out, fam. Let's look at the weather up here. It's gonna start raining at 2, 3, all the way through. So we might as well just call it a day. Pam's coming. We'll hit it tomorrow. Yeah, I was a little excited today when I said I might fix this. That ain't gonna happen. So, stay tuned. You can see where we're going with that till the next one. Like always, thanks for the support and what you do. Bang, bang, bang.